Despite an abundance of carefully crafted tutorials, trial and error remains many people's preferred way to learn software applications. Though there has been much research on software learning, relatively little has looked at specifically improving a user's experience while learning through trial and error. Reviewing the literature, we identified 4 primary benefits and 4 main challenges of learning through trial and error, and developed these into a conceptual model and design space. Based on this model and design space, we designed and implemented 3 novel techniques to supercharge trial and error in complex software. ToolTrack helps users in the exploration phase of trial and error by keeping track of their progress and showing which commands and parameters have been investigated, which have been used, and which have not been explored. This is accomplished through small triangular decorations on icons, menu items, and parameters to indicate those that have not been used, and with a progress bar appearing on hover to show how many of an individual command's parameters have been utilized. ToolTaste lets users quickly and safely test commands without fear of making a mistake in their active document. The Test on Copy feature opens up a cloned version of the current document where they can experiment independently from their main project. The Test on Example feature allows users to try out commands even if their current document doesn't meet the prerequisites for this command by opening up a sample document in the correct state for this command to be used. Common cues for trial and error, such as tooltips, only provide information at the command level, and users are left to figure out themselves how to arrange commands into a higher level workflow. With ToolTrip, we present common workflows which include a particular command, and when a workflow is selected, the relevant commands are highlighted in order on the interface, helping the user take a trip through the sequence of commands necessary to complete a particular task. Through these techniques and our framework, we hope to provide a solution to help users successfully trial and error in complex software applications, while stimulating more research on systems to improve the trial and error process.